Look at the carrots and let it eat the carrots.
During Hurricane Ingrid, he didn't make it out. Just watch him. He's with me always. Always. No, you're not very careful.
Does the woman carry that for a bit or leave it cold?
Nobody gets left behind. Going together.
Minute, 1 minute.
Is it cold?
I seconds na lang.
Just what we needed. Oh, they got it done too.
5 seconds.
Come on.
10.
She's farting here. Blowing bubbles. She's blowing bubbles through her liver.
Say hi. Hello.
You hungry, Margot? What's a carrot? Just
I
nothing.
think she's hungry.
I think it's not too early, but she's yawning hard. She can let her sleep for a bit. You woke up too early.
Hello. And a hello. And a hello, guys. Hello, guys. I think she's hungry that time. She didn't make a lot of my dodo is not man.
Carrot up.
No milk come out,
watch
so it
that
means
remote
she's
there.
hungry.
Yeah, come take that and just let. Watch these movies. Got 3 movies today.
Betul nambah tok ni mama. Ang aleng lewat jud ko ni papa, wag gyud ko liwat mama. Hi 10 viewers. Hello. Lagi ko